Hi ma'am, I am Jonaline Sigation and this is my model. And now in this video, I'm going to perform the body measurement. And we have three types of body measurement: the horizontal, the vertical, and circumferential. And now I'm going to start to the horizontal body measurement. First, but wait, I'm going to use the inches. So the number one for the horizontal is the shoulder to shoulder. So shoulder to shoulder is from the bone of the shoulder, vice versa. So it is 15 inches. 15 inches. And next one is the shoulder neck. So from the base of the from the base bone of the shoulder, where is it? To the neck. So it is 7 inches. Oh my. 7 inches. Hangin. 7 inches. The third one is bust to bust. So measure both the both bust. So it is 9 inches. The fourth one of the horizontal is upper upper bust. So upper bust, it is aligned to armpit. The upper of your bust. 13, so 13 inches. 13 inches for the upper bust. And then the lower bust is from the lower of your nipple or bust. So it is 12 inches for the lower bust. And the full back, 14 inches. 14 inches full back. The next one, body measure, is the vertical body measure. So shoulder to bust is 9 inches for the shoulder to bust. And then the shoulder to waist na naman. So front shoulder to waist. So the front shoulder down to waist. So the front shoulder down to waist is 16 inches. 16 inches. Then the next one is down center back. Down center back. Ano? The down center back, it is from the base of the back to the desired length of the t-shirt. So her desired length of the t-shirt is 16 inches. She wants 16 inches. Ayun na. Then next is the sleeve length. Ayun na. In measuring the sleeve length, slightly bend the elbow to get the proper measurement of sleeve length. From the base to elbow down to wrist. So, 22 inches. And then the length of the pants. So the length of the pants is from his waist to the desired length of the pants. Dito lang, ma'am.
Dito taas naman.
So, 34 inches. So, 34 inches. The length of the pants. Okay, the last one of the vertical body measurement is the crotch or rise. So, since we don't have ruler, um, we only use the paper. The fold paper. And then, okay. And I'm going to insert this paper into the below of her part.
Part 1!
Wait lang.
Marami.
I-close yan na ba tayo? And then,
This one.
from her navel to
Down.
down here.
Grabe.
Down here. So, wait. so
Measurement,
down here.
oh.
So, the cross-rod rise measurement is 9 inches. This is the last, the circumferential body measurement. So, the first is the bust. Measuring the bust is you need to insert two fingers. Two fingers to the one finger is for the right measurement of the bust, and the last and the another one finger is for the allowance. So his
Parang tutoy, oh.
wait lang daw. So his size of her bust is 33 and the allowance is 34. So 34 inches.
Waist.
And
Next
then
is
waist.
Waist.
Just the same, insert two finger. One, seven? Sure, you got a question. So size of her waist is 28 inches. And then the hips, for the hips naman is her hips is ay, ito. Her hips is 36 inches. 36 inches, and now let's go to the sleeve holes. So sleeve holes. Sleeve holes. Ano yun ang that. So sleeve holes is this is 17 inches. His sleeve holes is 17 inches. Next is the biceps. Her bicep size is 10 inches. 10 inches. And then her elbow, same pa rin. We need to bend to get the exact measurement. Pila na? Size of her elbows is 9 inches. And then the upper arm grit, So, alignment of the armpit. Taas na.
Sige pa. Kanang
Lagi
itaas.
ka ni, oh. Iba na to din. Ano na? Her upper arm grit is girt is 11 inches. Leg hole. So above the ankle.
Is
Leg hole is
10 inches.
10 inches.